Looking forward, data will become even more central. With artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data tools. Organizations will be able to make predictions and automate decisions in ways that were unimaginable before. In fact, there's a saying, data is the new oil. Just like oil fueled an industrial revolution, data is fueling the digital revolution. All right, let's quickly recap this. Data is a strategic asset just as important as money or machinery, and it creates competitive advantage throughout customer understanding, personalization, efficiency, innovation, and risk management. Real world examples include like Amazon, Google, Netflix, and Coca-Cola. But challenges like overload, poor quality, and privacy concerns must be managed. So far, we have covered a lot in chapter 1, from what data is to its sources, quality, life cycle, and even its role as a strategic asset. Now, for exam purposes, here are the things you absolutely need to remember from this chapter. Clear definitions like data versus information, structured versus unstructured data, and primary versus secondary data. Characteristics of good data. This is a favorite exam question. The data life cycle stages. Examiners love testing your ability to explain them in order. Ethical principles in handling data. And then big data and its four V's. And then examples of organizations using data strategically. Let's finish with some quick practice questions. Here's the question one. Differentiate between structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data with examples. And question two, what are the main characteristics of good data? Explain why each is important. And question three, explain the data lifecycle stages and give an example for each. And question four is, what ethical responsibilities do organizations have when handling customer data? And question five, how can data be used as source of competitive advantage? Support your answer with real world examples. I recommend you try writing answers to these in your own words. That way, when it comes to the exams, you won't just memorize, you will actually understand. And that brings us to the end of chapter 1, types of data and sources. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Audit with Ahmad for more chapters coming soon. In the next lecture, we will move on to the chapter 2, that is data governance and management, which is another crucial topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz and keep learning.